Today in our show, 2 men and a 5 kilo hammer versus a rock. We'll begin our show. First strike, engagement, breaks off. Whoa, slips, almost his leg. Whoa, it's a dangerous business. Yes, he suspects the hammer. 1, 2, hard striking, though slips the hammer. The rock is slippy. 1, yes, hard hit. He established some technique. Engagement, result. Big chunk of the rock.
Pod masy.
Yes. Now he delivers one hit after the other. Sounds like a church bell. Whoa. Hard hits. What a marvelous technique. Massive blows. And fast. Ya Allah. Aywa. So, he's a bit tired but doesn't give up. He's determined to conduct the mission to its end. Whoa, slips again. Indeed a dangerous business. I wouldn't want to stand behind that rock, between that rock and a hammer. Very determined. Hard will. Result. Surgical hits. Accurate to the weak point of the rock. The last hit is a bit tired. Oh, here comes another player to the game. Different technique. High above the head. Oh, just throws the hammer. Throws that 5 kilo head on the rock. Oh, yes. Oh, twists. The rock is hard. It doesn't give up. The hammer breaks. Unbelievable. The rock won over the hammer.